Everybody and their brother had a SPAC, and there were way too many. There was no way that the market could digest that many companies going public via SPAC. And the level of sort of overconfidence of management teams that they were somehow different and they would be able to get a deal done when there was so much competition was just sort of unprecedented.
What about inflation and rates? Is that, I feel like there may still be some question mark over that. How are we looking at that?
I can start there. I think what recent announcements have shown is that the rate curve is steepening. If you're waiting on your financing because you believe we're going to get future rate cuts, you're probably starting to feel like, okay, we've sort of gotten the benefits of those now, and it's probably time to start to energize that. A lot of companies stayed private longer than we would have expected, simply because they got the benefit of a more robust leverage finance market and the ability to take advantage of rate cuts. I think as we look forward now, they'll start to look at the benefit of equity and the ability to pay down debt exposure against a rising yield curve. So I just think it'll kind of kick people to move, and the benefit of that is probably in the rearview mirror.
It feels much more like the right time to be in the SPAC asset class. I think there was about 600 SPAC IPOs in 2021. That compares to a more normalized market of about, call it 20 to 50 SPAC IPOs a year. So we were way oversaturated. The market feels like it's about to be just right. And I think timing is also perfect, which is why I think you're seeing a lot of SPAC issuance right now. I think the theme of the first 2 months that we've been in market has been stuck. Whether you're a company looking to sell, the sell-side M&A market's been very challenging. I've heard kind of the sponsor trade is dead. So unless you're one of those lucky few companies who is attractive for a strategic acquirer, it's very hard for companies, and particularly sponsor-backed companies, to get liquidity.
It's so hard to teach people from other people's mistakes, you see a lot of hubris out there where we're so much better than our peers. It's really hard to find a humble management team that's successful. So I don't know, my view is it's really hard. The most mistakes that I've seen people learn from are when they say, I'm so glad I didn't go public last year because we had such a bad year relative to what we showed the analysts in our model. So it's more learning from your own mistakes. It's beyond that, I don't know.